Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very, very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that from where the price was yesterday to where it ultimately closed today, I think all rational people would agree that, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move today. But that does lead to the logical and valid question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using a chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is going to be adjusted a little bit here, but we'll just use this line, and I'm going to change that to green because, yes, when levels of resistance are broken, you do want to see them act as support. But the level that really stands out to me is right up here at 0.095. Why is 0.095 so important? Hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, or in other words, a bounce that is actually a bounce, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a bounce is actually a bounce, it's not going to go back to where it was because that would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0.095. Any sort of closes below it, or worse, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, and then does something like this before heading back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a big old base of lows right here. You'd have this previous base of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement make progress as 0.095. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm just going to quickly touch on this, and I'll explain that in a second, but it's all about the pink line up there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. But other than that, not even really worth talking about resistances because, in my opinion, breaking resistances, not a huge priority right now for the chart at all. Top priority is going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases that start to be built over time, the chart will take care of itself. So very strong move today. We'll see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.